Anyway,
And
we
then,
are so blessed to have our advisors here,
yes.
former advisors.
Mhm. And I would like to introduce my ninang, our advisor who gave us a great impact during our high school years, Miss Teodora Apayo.
Hello. Hi. How are you? Good evening to everyone. Okay, we are now inside the classroom of fourth year C. Because my class that time was fourth year C. You know, Normie called me up and she told me, Ma'am, you're going to talk. What will I say? You're going to talk for 2 minutes only. Ay, Normie, madaldal ako eh. Sabi ko, paano yan? Okay, 3 minutes. Okay, use a timer. You know, I have written what I'm going to say because Normie told me I'm going to talk only for 2 minutes. So this is my 2 minute memory. I brought my, look at this. I brought my memory card. This is my memory card. Milestone 1983. Written by, authored by my class, di ba? The editor-in-chief belonged to my class. So I have here my notes because I might spend a very long time. Normie, do you have your timer? Is it the tumutulo na 3 minutes? All right. So, Normie told me, ma'am, please talk about number one, the things you remember well regarding the batch. Number two, the things you remember best regarding your advisory class. And so I said, as I'm going to talk about the batch, my advisory class is also included. Number one, this is the batch that I handled for the longest period of time in my teaching career. For 3 years' time, you were with me in English. Second year, third year, and fourth year, I'm very happy you were with me. We were together, enjoying together. Number two, this is the only batch in the history of Sacred Heart Academy for the 17 years of my stay there that had a commencement speaker in the person of Mayor Richard Gordon. His message rang very well. And his message was, do you remember? It was about academic excellence and service to mankind. And look at him now. He is always in the service of the Filipino. And he is always excellent academically. He's very bright. Number, at, at the end of the program, he took pains to congratulate me by saying, you did a good job as an MC. His statement gave me inspiration to do better every time I was requested by my colleagues to host programs at Sacred Heart Academy of Novaliches. Number three, this is the batch with a member who got 99% or 99 plus in all four areas. A, that is, ano pala yung A? Abstract reasoning. M, mathematical ability. R, reading comprehension. V, verbal ability. In the NCEE, sorry. I know it because I was the one making a summary every year. And the person who got it belonged to my advisory class in the person of the very intelligent batch valedictorian. Where are you? Clarinda G. Ferrer. The only one with 99 plus in the history of Sacred Heart. This is the batch among all the batches, though this is very, very personal. I would like to mention it to everyone. All three sections, Section A, Section B, and Section C, where all of you were there, gave me gifts by class. What gifts did you give me? You gave me books. Section A and Section B. I still have the books you gave me. Sections A and B greeted me in the morning But Section C did not greet me at all. But at the end of the day, yes, they did not. Oh my God. So I was nagtatampo. But then, in the afternoon, at the end of the day, Normie came to me together with Jean Clarinda. And she said, "Ma'am, please go to our room because there are boys fighting." And so I was fuming with rage. I didn't say anything. I just went up with them. When we were nearing the room, I did not hear anything. And when I entered the room, I saw my students ready to greet me with, "Happy birthday, Miss Apayao." And so I said, "Oh my, thank you very much, children. You made my day, the happiest day of my life at Sacred Heart Academy for 3 years that I've been there. Thank you." That's a gift of love. They gave me a big cake, and we enjoyed together. Number 5, my class. By the way, the drama went like this, although I will not give it anymore. 3 minutes na ba? Wala pa. My class, Section C, with my class president, Normie, taught me how to love. How did they do it? The birthday celebration is a proof. One proof. Another proof was, one morning, Normie asked permission if they, the members of my class, can take a few minutes of my Christian living period. And I gladly gave them the permission. They had open forum about their own personal concerns. So they had exchanges of many things about themselves. And to top it all, I was one of their concerns. I was one of their problems. And the problem was, "Ma'am, you know what? We are jealous of the classes of Miss Malyari and Mr. Almendares. Why are you jealous? Because every time there is a game, they're always present. And you, our advisor, never attends our games." And so we cried together. They were crying. I also cried with them. Do you remember that time? There were many concerns that they were giving. And from that time on, I wasn't aware of it. And so, from that time on, I became more sensitive about the needs of my advisory class. And what do they need? It's attention. That's what mothers are for. You are now mothers and fathers, you know. Children need attention. And therefore, you have to listen to your kids because they need that. I am not a mother, but I'm still a mother to hundreds and hundreds of children right now. 2 minutes na ba? 3 minutes. Okay, number 6. This is the only batch with one of the members who remembered me when he decided to tie the knot, as they say. But we lost track of each other's whereabouts after the wedding because I left Sacred Heart Academy. But thank you very much for this day, for this night, because finally we found each other again after 11 years. And I am referring to my inaanak whom I lost track of in looking. He is here. He's right here beside me. Thank you very much. I did not see you for 11 years. How many children do you have now? So I am a grandmother to 2 beautiful kids. I don't know whether they are boys or girls. 1 boy, 1 girl. Thank you very much for inviting me here. It's a great feeling that you want to see us after so many, many years. That was 25 years ago. But I don't feel like growing old. In fact, I feel like growing younger because I'm working with very young people. In my school, mahaba na ba? In my school, I am the oldest of all the employees. The teachers that I have are much, much younger than I am for 30 years. But I don't feel like old, as I said a while ago. I feel very young. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, magkaparehas na tayo, di ba? Okay, thank you very much. Good night. I should not say good night pala. Later na lang. Okay, thank you once again for inviting me.
Thank you, Ninang.
Yeah, but we have wonderful memories about you too, Miss Apayao. You gave all of us short poems when we graduated in high school. And I still have it.